guys, my name is Alexthegrumpyone, and today I'm just answering one of the questions that I've been asked. What are the tools that I carry usually in the boot of my car? So this is one of the handy packs that I got from US Pro, Bergen, they're the same. So this covers pretty much a lot of things. I even used it today in the video to remove the VW Scirocco headlight unit. So this is a great little kit. It even got the Torx and everything else in there, the sockets from 4 to 14. So this is the 1/4 inch little ratchet. This kit I have been using for about 2 years. So you got all the adapters that you're going to need, the extensions, the flexi one, which is very handy. So this is particular, the flexi adapter is going to be very handy today for the VW Scirocco headlight removal, because you're going to get to the one space which is a bit complicated to get one of the screws out, and you're going to make the job a lot easier having this tool. Right guys, so like I said, the reason you're going to need the flexi one, it's quite handy, is to get the most awkward one, which is there, so you can get to it with the flexi adapter, because if you got the normal one, it's not going to get on there properly. So I'll get that one out first. It's the most awkward one. So let's get all of them out. One at the bottom. So the one that actually holds the headlight is longer. Same here, both longer ones. Two of them out. And now you got the bracket ones and also the locating ones. They got plastic adapter on them. Don't lose that. I'm going to show you now. This is just the normal shorter ones. Got a little locating adapter on them. As you can see, it's a plastic one, so make sure don't lose that. So like I said, you got a lot of bits there as well for every situation pretty much. Like I said, most of the common stuff is already in there, and you get this whole kit for around £20. We're going to put the link in the description below. And like I said, I've used it for about 2 years, never had any issues. The ratchet is still working great, both sides, because now on some of the ratchets the mechanism inside breaks, but this one has been great and I have been using it a lot. So yeah guys, I hope this has answered your question. If you got any more questions or you want to have a look at some other product, please let me know. Comment below, like my videos, and in the comment write if there's anything else you want me to review, or just let you know if I've used it before, and I'll be more than happy to get it and show it to you. So thank you very much for watching this video guys, and I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.